drop 40 on my whip, yeah. Toting on it.
Alright guys, so if you watched my last video, you saw that at the last drift event that I drove, I slightly tapped this barrier, little wall thing that they put up on the track. So basically today I'm gonna do my best. Sorry if you hear some wind noise. I know this camera picks up any type of wind noise. Today we're gonna try and fix this, make it look better. I know it's not gonna make it look how it used to be, but we're gonna get it a little bit better. That's the goal. I'm gonna try to grab my heat gun and try to heat up this area. We're gonna go to Harbor Freight right now and try to see if they have a little like suction cup thing. I've seen on YouTube videos. They'll put the little suction cup and try to pull it. That's gonna be like my first step at doing this, because I don't really want to start taking interior pieces off unless I like have to. I've got to go to Harbor Freight regardless, because while I was on the track I like completely snapped my torque wrench that I have from them. It's 20 bucks, but they've got a like lifetime warranty, so best believe I'm using that joint. So that's the mission for today. This thing here does not ever want to stay in place. Oh, it just stayed in place. All right, so I just stepped out of the old Reliable, and this is what we got. Brand new torque wrench, because mine absolutely blew up. And then this is how we're gonna fix that dent for 7 bucks. This thing is $4. I'm hoping that I have luck with it. And then we got the Baconator Junior. Yeah, this is to hopefully pull out like the smaller ones that this can't get a good grip on. That's my strategy, but it's my first time doing this, so let's head back to HQ and see how this goes. All right guys, so we're back at HQ. Got all my stuff laid out here. A bucket of dog shit. No, I'm just kidding. All right, let me be for real. Let me be for real. I'll be trying to be funny. All right, for real. We got a heat gun. I don't know if I'm gonna like really end up. I think it's gonna work. But we've got the Baconator Junior, and then we've got the big Baconator. And this is just for my camera to sit on. Let's hope that this is quick, because I got other things I want to do today.
I drop 40 on my whip, yeah. Toting on this blick, yeah. Popping hella shit, yeah. Sipping when I'm sick, yeah. Spilling when I drip, yeah. Tripping when I trip, yeah. Floating when I rip, yeah. Diamonds on my face, yeah. Bitches on my dick, yeah. I can't love, I got a spliff on my lip, yeah. Let's burn it up, flip the pack like a switch, yeah. We going up, I told that bitch, start the strip, yeah. I'm tryna fuck, I don't waste no time. I hop inside the whip and start the hot box. I ain't worried about shit, these niggas talk shit, but they ain't counting them. If I lose a bitch,
alright, so I think I'm gonna give it a try from the inside to like kick it or something. I'm gonna see how hard it is to take these panels off. This definitely helped a tiny little bit. It's a little less noticeable now. Still noticeable, but you know, we're gonna keep going and try to complete this job.
This shit not adding up. I'm taking all these drugs. You say why? Cause I had enough. I'm trying to tell you about my
E36 is officially getting gutted. Look at that. That's pretty sick. Not really. So I just pulled that panel out of this side. I don't think it should be too hard to like pull this. Yeah, we're gonna just pull this down, take this clip off, and then I'm gonna hopefully be exposed to whatever damage it is on the other side. All right, so boom. You can't really see it, honestly, in here. I'm like having trouble even knowing where it is. It might be like in this area right here. There's like a little tiny dent right there, but I don't know really where to like hit or anything. Okay, so I'm not gonna keep hitting it right there. If you think about it, when you cut a quarter, there's like 2 layers. There's almost like air in between them two. And I'm kicking like the inside layer, and what's bent is just the outside. So I think me kicking in here is just not gonna do anything. If anything, I'm just gonna keep damaging stuff that doesn't need to be. Just as I was about to kick the bucket, I was like, you know, I'm gonna check Facebook. I'm gonna see if someone maybe does this for cheap. And look what I found. There's this tool. It kind of looks like this. I think I might try to buy something like this, or a tool that's a little bit better than like a suction cup, and give it one more try, especially if it's 15 bucks, 30 bucks.
I take my chains off.
Okay, so here's everything that came in this $30 Amazon kit. These are these little things that you put the glue on. They sent you a glue gun, which I didn't even think that they were gonna send this, so that's sick. They send you the glue. I didn't think they were even gonna send this either. I don't know what this is for. You could use it for like breast spray, whatever you want to use it for. And then this is to scrape the glue off. So let's get going on this, because I'm trying to fix my car and not look like a bucket anymore.
They say my name when I'm in the club, I take my chains out. I come up short when it comes to love, it's like I ran out.
Alright, so I think I'm gonna use these 2 points to start off with. They've got kind of this like rounded top.
So I act like a man now. They took my love and took my judge, I'm out of hand out. My feelings hurt, I can't even bluff, blow my brains out. It's all a blur, I'm seeing dust the way they ran out.
Okay, so I hate to say this, but you should read the instructions, because apparently I was waiting not even a minute to start pulling on it. If it's cold outside, which it is, you should wait 3 to 5 minutes. And also there's a difference between the black and the yellow glue, and I've been using my white glue. I guess we'll try with the black one, because apparently the black one is less viscous. And if you don't know what viscous means, it's, look it up.
I can't wait till these drugs get missed inside.
Now we wait 3 to 5 minutes.
I swear to God, they just don't listen. Yeah, I got lost.
Bruh. Oh my God. How's this supposed to work? Alright, sun's in my eyes, but I ended up hitting up these Facebook groups and asking them what they think I should do, the best way to do it. And they told me to do it from the inside, and I kept telling everyone I already tried it, and they told me that there's a little like panel that you can take out, and I was like, I don't remember seeing that panel. So I went back and watched some of the footage, and in fact there is a panel, so I'm going to show you guys. Got all of my interior back out. So in here, this is the actual little panel that they were talking about. And there's just 2 screws that are holding it, and what I'm going to try to do is put a ball in there and fill it up. So I got a deflated soccer ball here already, and then I got a little air pump. I'm going to put it in there after I take the little panel out. I'm going to heat up the outside and try to fill up the ball and see if it'll pop it out from the inside. Hopefully, yeah, I'm hoping it's going to work. I think it's going to work. You can see the tiniest little like groove in there.
Yeah. I dropped 40 on my whip, yeah. Toting on this blick, yeah.
Show you guys what this soccer ball looks like inside of the car. Honestly, a little bit scary because it looks like it could pop at any moment. It definitely helped. I'm not expecting it to be perfect, but I'm gonna keep trying, keep changing positions of the ball, and keep going with it. All right, fellas. So this morning, ran over to Walmart, picked up a mini soccer ball. They don't have mini basketballs or volleyballs or whatever, but I just picked this up. This is a last resort. If this doesn't work, I don't know what is gonna work. I think if this doesn't work, I think we're gonna get over fenders. As much as that hurts me to say. All right.
Spilling when I drip, yeah. Tripping when I trip, yeah. Floating when I rip, yeah. Diamonds on my face, yeah. Bitches on my dick, yeah.
So it kind of like made it better or kind of worse depending on the way you look at it. It brought up this end here. So what I'm gonna try to do is deflate the ball, see if this moves, and then try to move it this way and pull this way forward. Hopefully that doesn't move, because that would be sick.
On my lips, yeah. They burn it up, flip the paint like a switch, yeah. We going up, I told that bitch, start the strip, yeah. I'm trying to fuck, I don't waste no time, I hop inside.
Alright guys, so it made it kind of looking better. Maybe. I don't know. We're trying. I'm gonna try to push this little spot out. This like little crease in here that was running across definitely got a little bit better. So like looking at it from this angle is definitely where you could tell it's a little bit better. I know it kind of looks like bacon, but it's not so like deep as it used to be.
When When you speaking, you capping, you ain't telling the truth. Man, I really been through it, but I got through it too. You can't tell me nothing about it, cause you ain't been in my shoes. These niggas act like they know me, but they ain't even my homies. You niggas talking about action, I dropped the pin, come and show me. I'm with my twin on a yacht, two brothers, I'm saying.
Alright guys, so yeah, that's pretty much it. I know it's not perfect, but that's not really what we were going for. Obviously, you're not gonna get your original body lines back by just hammering and beating the shit out of it. And if you're looking to do this and you got that same dent in that same spot, remember you can take out that little panel on the inside. You know, you can follow my way if you want to, and it is gonna be a lot of just beating on it and coming outside, trying to work it out from the outside inside. Really, like I said, this is just to like hold off for me not to get overs yet, which I was this close to calling it quits and saying fuck it and just cutting everything. And it's still not like amazing, but it's enough to hold me off on cutting the car up, because I don't want to do it yet. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to hit that like, don't forget to hit the subscribe so you guys don't miss out on any upcoming videos, because the next video I'm gonna be sanding that quarter, and it's gonna be like a rust repair, because this quarter has a lot of rust and I've been meaning to, you know, address that for as long as I got the car. So I know it looks like poop right now because it's still missing paint on that dent, but I feel like it's gonna look a whole lot better whenever it's painted. So if you guys don't want to miss that, make sure you hit that big red button, because 2023 is gonna be crazy for this channel. The funds are going up, and I'm gonna hopefully do a whole lot more driving and hopefully get another car into the arsenal pretty soon. I'm not gonna say what it is, but hopefully, fingers crossed. So yeah guys, if you guys have any questions, don't forget to comment down below. Yeah, happy holidays. I feel like I said everything. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.
I drop 40 on my whip, yeah. Toting on this blick, yeah. Popping hella shit, yeah. Sipping when I'm sick, yeah. Spilling when I drip, yeah. Tripping when I trip, yeah. Floating when I rip, yeah. Diamonds on my face, yeah. Bitches on my dick, yeah. I can't love, I got a split on my lip, yeah. Let's burn it up.